Hello everyone, if you are new here, I am Chandrika, and if you are my lovely subscriber, thank you so much for watching me again. So today I am not sharing any makeup video with you, but I am sharing my skincare after removing makeup. It is a different kind of video, but I love pampering my skin, as I always say that skincare is very important. So I have never shared my skincare routine after removing makeup, so I thought that I have to share my skincare after removing my makeup. And all the product links that I will be used in this video are in description. Please check them. If you find this video helpful, then please don't forget to like, share and comment on your thoughts. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please take a moment and subscribe. By the way, this is my Instagram ID. I'll upload all the pictures and my makeup looks on my Instagram. You can check it. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. So first I'm tying my hair back. And then I'll remove my jewelry. And these are all like behind the scenes, so which I never shared. Now I have to remove my contact lens, but for removing my contact lens I need to wash my hands. So I'll just quickly wash my hands and I'll come back. I washed my hands and I'm removing my contact lens. After removing contact lens, we have to store it in a container like this. And if you want to know how to remove and apply contact lens, I have made a complete video about it. The link is in iCards and description as well. So for removing makeup, we'll use this micellar water, or we can use cleansing milks for removing these waterproof makeups. And also you can use any coconut oil. I'll use this micellar water sometimes, but sometimes I'll use coconut oil to remove all my waterproof makeup. Now I'm using both micellar water and coconut oil. I'm just taking micellar water on a tissue paper and I forgot to take out my false eyelashes. So I'm just taking coconut oil on my palm. And gently rub it. And using a wet wipe, I'm wiping all the makeup. Now I'm going to wash my face using this Himalaya face wash. And for applying this face wash, you just need to moisten your face and then apply it in a circular motion. After applying it, wash off and pat dry. You can use it twice in a day for better results, and it suits for all skin types and it is best for acne prone skin. And Himalaya face wash helps to remove all the dirt and it helps to clear your pimples as well. And it has neem in it. Neem, as we all know, neem fights for bacteria and neem prevents recurrence of pimples. I'll wash it off and I'll come back. I washed my face. Next time applying this Himalaya neem scrub. Before applying it, wet your face with water and apply it on upward motion. After applying it for a minute, rinse it off and pat dry. So Himalaya face scrub helps to remove blackheads and it is a good exfoliator and it exfoliates your dead skin cells. Avoid sensitive areas like eyes and apply. Avoid scrubbing on pimple areas and use it twice a week for better results. After using this scrub, your skin becomes so smooth. Next time applying this Himalaya neem face pack, apply it evenly, avoid areas like eyes and mouth and wait for 10 to 15 minutes. After that, wipe it with a wet tissue and then rinse it with cool water. Himalaya neem face pack helps removing impurities and it absorbs excess oil secretion on your skin and it cleans your clogged pores, and this face pack will suits for normal to oily skin, and also use it twice a week for better results. You will get a clean, clear and healthy skin after applying this face pack. Next time applying this Good Vibes toner. Next time applying this Biotic moisturizer. And last I'm applying this Biotic Bio Fruit Lip Balm to moisturize my lips. So if I did my facial, means face wash, scrub and face pack before applying makeup, I won't repeat it after applying makeup. But if I haven't done my facial, then I'll do facial after removing makeup. So today I didn't apply any facial before doing my makeup. I just use a peel off mask, that's it. That's why I use this facial process. Otherwise, if I did it before, I'll skip this step and I'll follow remaining steps. So yeah, that's it. Let me know guys if you want more videos like this in comment section, and I hope you all like this video. If you like it, please give it a big thumbs up and comment your thoughts and suggestions. I would love to answer them, and don't forget to follow my Instagram. That's it for today's video. See you in my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.